Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making Korean corn dogs, and I've actually never tried these before, but I've seen what they look like and they look really good because there is this place, there's one here in San Antonio, and then there is some in Houston as well. We even went to one. It's called Mochi Nut, and that's where they have the little donuts. They're like bubbly, and so I went last week here in San Antonio, and then when we were in Houston for Taylor Swift, we didn't have time to go to Mochi Nut or like Beard Papa's or anything. But yeah, we didn't get one just because you have to wait like 10 to 15 minutes, and we were waiting for something else, and we also want to go home. So I thought I should just try to make them here at home. So yeah, I already have my dough made, and I will leave the link to the recipe below. This dough was really easy to make. First, I just mixed together my dry ingredients. Then I mixed together my wet ingredients. And then I combined those together and I formed my dough, and I let my dough rise for, it was like a little less than an hour. But yeah, an hour, you can let it rise more. If I had time, I probably would have. And then I already have all my stuff ready out here. I have the hot dogs, and then I also have some mozzarella cheese as well. So I'm gonna try both and see what that's like. I have my breadcrumbs here. And then for some of mine, I'm gonna be using potato. This is just cut up like frozen French fries, but at Mochi Nut they have like so many different variants that you can do, and I remember even just looking at the little potatoes, I thought they were like corn or something. But yeah, they do have the little mozzarella and hot dog ones with just mozzarella, ones that don't have potato on them. Some of them even have like Cheeto dust, I think, instead of breadcrumbs. You can even do cereal. But yeah, there's a bunch of different variants of these Korean corn dogs that you can make, but these are just the ones that I'm going to be making today. So first I'll just start with like the basic hot dog one. And I have my dough here just because of the way you need to make sure it gets all covered. I think I might do it this way instead. So it's pretty tricky to actually get the dough on. I kept having to restart, and I don't really have that much dough. I at least want to get one nice like big one, normal one, and then I'll do some smaller ones, like a smaller mozzarella. I don't know if I'll have enough to do mozzarella, or half mozzarella, half hot dog. But yeah, this one looks good enough. I'm just trying to even it out a little bit so that it's not super thick. There we go. I think that is as good as I'm going to get. And now I'm going to press it down into my potato. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then I put them in the breadcrumbs. And I sprinkle on top. Be careful. You can already see some potatoes falling off. But a little bit of the top got ruined. But now I'm gonna slowly, carefully put this into the pan. I'm gonna have my mom do it. Just be careful. But the temperature is at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to start cooking it on one side first. Oh, it was like in my way. I'm going to cook it on one side first. And then I'm going to kind of flip it over a little bit. So these two that I have here, this smaller one is the mozzarella, and I decided to put some potato on there. And then this one is half cheese and half hot dog, and I only put the panko on there. So I still have the other one cooking over here, but I'm just gonna have my mom put these two on there as well, just so that way I can get done a little faster. Okay, so this is the first one I made. I'm gonna try this one since it's cooled down. You can see it's all nice and browned. And then also when I was done frying them, I have my sugar over there, but pretty much I just sprinkled it with sugar. And I don't remember which each one of these are, but these are the other ones. I have all finished and cooked. The cheese did leak out of like some of them, but that's okay. So now I'm ready to try this one, and I'm actually gonna cut it open. I'm not gonna take like an immediate bite out of it. So I'm gonna like take it off the stick probably, or at least off of it a little bit maybe. I just pulled the stick down a little bit to try and see if I can cut it at the end here maybe. Okay, yeah, I can cut it at the end. This was just mostly to show what it looked like inside. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty good. Fries, nice and cooked. And then I just cut this end off, so let's see. I hope it's not too hot. There we go. It actually tastes pretty good. And I usually don't really like eating just like regular hot dogs or even in a bun. But I think this is a pretty cool way to eat them with like the potato and everything. It tastes really good. And I don't know how the people at Mochi Nut make it like so like it's like perfect looking. It looks like just like their photos and everything. And even they're able to like hand it out to people on the sticks, because when we were there waiting for our food, you just see people eating it like straight off the stick, but for me it's like falling apart. So I don't know how they do it so easily, but I'm excited that I made these myself. I wish I had more dough to make more of them at once, but I'm also gonna try a cheese one next. Okay, this one just came off pretty much almost off the stick. I'm gonna cut it open again. Oh, this one is the cheese one. So it'll be nice. Whoa. Oh, it smells so good. But yeah, the cheese ones, I also wanted to put the potato on it because I think it would taste really good. There we go. It's melted cheese, so it might be a little too hot. But you can see the outside is really nice and crunchy, and then that's the outside, or the inside bread. Oh, it's not too hot. There we go. This one is, I think I like this one the most because it's like a giant like mozzarella stick, but also with the potato I really like. It's really nice and crunchy as well, and like I said, nice and soft on the inside. I'll definitely make these again now that I have all those little extra leftover skewers in there. I just need to make more dough. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.